This one's called To Clutch at Madness. I look forward to this one. It's a nice short one. Conventional opinion is the ruin of our souls. Something borrowed which we mistake as our own. Ignorance is better than this. Clutch at madness instead. Always run from what seems to benefit yourself. Sip the poison and spill the water of life. Revile those who flatter you. Lend both interest and principal to the poor. Let security go and be at home amid dangers. Leave your good name behind and accept disgrace. I have lived with cautious thinking. Now I'll make myself mad. Provocative. I love it. Thank you, dear Rumi. Thank you for listening.